Manifestations are hard to achieve. It's very hard. Goal settings are easy, but it's hard to achieve. Many times people are thinking they are dreaming something to achieve their life. Many times people are thinking to take their life to next level, but it's not happening. Is it real that manifestations are hard to achieve? Is it real that manifestation doesn't happen? Is it real that the spiritual realm, lot of informations people are talking about law of attraction are not true? What is the one thing that stops you to achieve your dream goals? That we are going to deep dive into it. Namo Himalaya, I am Priya, your mindset transformation and manifestation coach. Today in this video, we are going to deep dive into very simple technique that exactly is going to create a very beautiful space and it's going to be helpful in your manifestation. Why? Because this reason I have implemented in my life, which I learned from my Grandmaster Daksha from Himalayan and also Master Sihangi from the European Shaolin Temple. And when I learned about this technique, what was always becoming the obstacle in my past manifestation, the day I understood, then since I applied in my life, my manifestations have been going very, very easy way. But before that, I would like to know which part of the world you are tuning from and what kind of manifestation you are doing. If you have any questions related to manifestation, spirituality, mindset transformation, and also something related to life-changing challenge, then you can also share on our comment box. So also, I would like to request you to watch the video until the end because this video is very short, but it is very, very eye-opening for you. But have you ever thought something like you are going to receive something like a big building or land, or if you want to buy a car, or if you are manifesting a good relationship, a lot of money in your life, but at the same time, you are just thinking about it a lot of time when it is going to be happen, how it is going to be happen, how it will happen, how it will look like. Are you so much curious to know about this information about your manifestation? Then this is just a warning I'm going to give you in this video, but because this video is all about this warning, that is exactly is the obstacle in your manifestation. What does that mean? That means you are so much attached to the outcome. When you are manifesting something, you must understand. You must understand that you need to be very, very silent. And what does that mean? That means you need to be very, very emotionally balanced. You need to be happy. You need to be feel like that you have already achieved it. Then if you have already thought about achieving, means you have already achieved your car, your manifestations, or your dream partner, whatever you have already dreamt of, if you have felt about it, then why you are thinking about when it is going to happen? What does that mean? That means once you have already created the space that you have already achieved, again the same time if you are questioning on your side, in your mind, that when it is going to happen, why it is not happening, how it is going to be happen. That means the feelings and the intention you have already felt before, it's not exactly matching right now what you are thinking about your manifestation. That means you are already showing that you are confused about your manifestation. If you are confused about your manifestation, then how universe is going to deliver your manifestation? That's the only reason that I am going to deliver about this in this video, that you should not be attached to the outcome. What does that mean? That means you need to be very, very relaxed after once you manifest. about your dreams or goals, whatever. If you have manifested, that means you need to think about it that it has already happened. You need to feel about it that it has already happened. You need to forget about this that when it is going to be happen. That means you have to completely shift your mindset to something where you don't need to focus when is exactly going to happen. What does that mean? That you are completely detach yourself from the outcome that you have already put in outside for your manifestation. You don't even have to think about it, how it is going to happen. Because the moment you will surrender to the universe, the intention, and you will completely detach yourself from the outcome, the universe is going to deliver your manifestation in a very, very speedy way, and you will see the real miracles are going to be happen in your life. That's how the manifestation works. And that's the only mistake I was doing repeatedly in my past manifestations. I often was dreaming of lot of things, but at the same time I was feeling miserable why it was not coming, why it is delaying. I was keep on calling someone, when are you going to deliver, how it is going to happen, lot of things, because my thoughts were not exactly coping with my feelings. My thoughts were not exactly being, sync with my mind or spirit. When your mind, body, spirit is aligned, when you put a thought outside and also throw to the universe and believe that universe is going to deliver your manifestation, then manifestation has to happen. Universe must deliver your manifestation. Don't doubt about it. Your doubt, your thought, your questioning about negative thoughts about your manifestation can be the biggest obstacle in your manifestation. So that's the only thing I wanted to share in this video. If you find some informative from this video, then please make sure that you hit the like button and hit the bell button, and also subscribe our channel for our upcoming next videos. And thank you so much for watching my video. Namo Himalaya.